Okay, so as you can see, I've got my John Malecki shop shades on. I've got my Only Tools t-shirt on. Okay, johnmalecki.com. Not sponsored. Just thought I'd throw them, check it out. Anyway, I've got my safety gear on, so you know we got some work done today. And I'm gonna show you some pictures of it right now. Here you can see just a straight on from the front of my desk. Essentially, I took a picture so you can see you do not see any wires. Okay, and that's important because I don't really want my wires routed anywhere where you can see them. So that's kind of key. This next shot actually shows you the wires, but you can see I drilled holes in the framing underneath the desk so that the wires themselves run through the framing, thereby keeping them out of sight and not visible. You may also notice that every single USB is a specific color, and there's a reason I do that. Okay, I mentioned in a previous video that whenever I run wires, I always want the wires to be easily traceable. If something stops working or something's not working properly, I want to be able to see what color the wire is. I can trace it back to the computer. If I have to, I can replace the entire cable without having to figure out, is it this one that's all twisted up with everything? No. If it's the blue cable, unplug the blue cable from one end, unplug the blue cable from the other end, and replace it. Whatever the case is, I want it to be as simple and as clean as possible. That's what this allows for. I've also now included a couple of shots. Now, granted, I'm still organizing everything, but this is roughly what I look at every single day, especially now. I just laid down a brand new leather desk pad. It is 55 by 24. In case you didn't know, my desk is, was it 94 by 42? 48. 94 by 48. Okay, it's a conference table that I'm using as a desk, so I have plenty of room for all my equipment. Pay no attention to the monitor on the left. The monitor on the left is actually going to be for my MacBook Pro. That's where I'm going to start doing my editing and my designing very soon. I haven't actually switched over to it, but I've got a monitor sitting there ready to go. It's not part of my regular setup. I didn't want to put the extra, taxing on my computer. Not that I'm worried about it. I've got an amazing setup. There's going to be a video relating to that soon as well. Anyway, that's what I promised earlier when I said I'd have a second update to let you know what I've been working on. That's what I've been working on. We haven't had any orders yet on etchamemory.com. Please check out etchamemory.com. Let me know what you think. I would love some feedback. It's not even that I'd love feedback. I need feedback. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I don't know how to get this business up and running. I don't know whether or not the products I'm offering are appealing or attractive. I don't know whether or not the website makes you, trust the way it looks and, encourages you to actually want to buy something. I need feedback, okay? Tell me what you think, even if you think it sucks, okay? That's fine. Tell me that. That way I know. I appreciate it. For the 61 people who have subscribed, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. For everyone else, come on, help a brother out. Anyway, that's going to do it for tonight. I do have a couple videos that I'm finishing up or I've already started editing. Hopefully I'll get those out to you somewhere in the next week to week and a half. And yeah, so I'm going to leave you with this. Have a good night.
Meow, 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 meow.